Hey gardeners, did you know that something as simple as a banana peel can work wonders for your plants? Instead of tossing them away, you can use them to boost soil health, enhance plant growth, and even repel pests naturally. Stick around to find out how. Segment 1. Nutrient Boost. Banana peels are packed with essential nutrients that plants love. Potassium helps with strong roots, flowering, and fruit production. Phosphorus supports root growth and energy transfer. Calcium and magnesium strengthen plant cells and improve overall health. Segment 2. Soil Improvement. When banana peels break down, they add organic matter to the soil, improving moisture retention, boost microbial activity, making nutrients more available to plants. Segment 3. Natural Pest Control. Did you know banana peels can help deter pests? Some gardeners use them to keep aphids and ants away, though results may vary, so consider pairing this method with other pest control strategies. Segment 4. Easy ways to use banana peels. Bury in soil. Chop them up and mix into the soil near plant roots for slow-release nutrients. Make banana peel tea. Soak peels in water for 24 to 48 hours, then use the nutrient-rich water to feed your plants. Use as mulch. Lay peels on the soil surface to naturally decompose over time. Compost them. Toss banana peels into your compost pile to enrich the mix. Use in moderation to avoid attracting pests. Wash peels to remove pesticides before adding them to the soil. And there you have it. Instead of throwing away your banana peels, turn them into a free and natural plant booster. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gardening tips.